makes me justice makes me justice makes me laugh 몰아붙여가둬도 이상의 죄는 없어 반복될 순 없으니.
Alright guys, we're gonna check out XG's
Just two of the. We'll
two of their
probably check out more during another stream. But
yes, we'll have more XG content coming up other than the live stage. I do want to check out the solo stages. So those are coming as well. But we're gonna check out Is This Love? Day 2 in Japan and In the Rain in Sydney, which was like yesterday. So did you burp? You burp hiccup?
It was a light burp.
Oh, light burp. All right, guys. This is This Love? First time we've seen choreo to it. Very, very excited. No, we'll do this first. I don't want to look right now. Please, she's trying to put Malloy in my face. I'm sorry, alphas. That was rude. Anyway, it is This Is Love. With choreo.
The fits.
I see white. Hi, Chisa. So good. Actually, literally is flawless. They have everything.
Go on, Amy.
Go, Amy.
My way.
Oh, Jury has dark. She's got dark hair again.
Confused. Oh my god, everyone. Okay.
Chisa has dark hair.
Chisa has dark hair. Jern has long red hair now.
Coco shaved her head again.
Coco shaved her head again.
Juria has dark hair again. Harvey has normal hair. It's not colored at all.
Oh
Maya still has blonde hair.
Yeah, Maya's still rocking the blonde. I thought Chisa was Kokona here.
Yeah.
Because of her
makeup. It's a makeup.
Okay, sorry.
The fits are fitting though. I like the fits.
Sorry, we can run it back. Sorry, I just the new hairs were throwing me.
And not as green, yeah.
My way. I love the fits. I love the fits.
You know, these fits are giving me like left right. They're just really casual.
Yeah, I love them.
They're not flashy. It's just literally.
Look at
what?
Shoes too. The shoes are clean.
Oh
too.
yeah, I see them. Oh, I like this. I like the choreo.
Yeah. Oh, so cool to see Coco in. Okay, footwork.
Oh.
All right. Oh, wait.
Oh, the footwork was actually kind of nice there.
Oh, God, Julia, 8.
Ew.
I mean, they all 8, but like, someone pissed Julia off, man. I want you to take me there. Oh, they're passing a rose around.
They are. Oh. I want to dance practice for this very badly. Oh,
hey!
Go Maya!
Hey!
Okay.
We gotta run that back. Sorry.
Harvey.
They ate.
Harvey, Maya, Coco are eating. They're eating, Your Honor. Ew! Really, 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 really
Yeah,
good.
they ate that. They ate that up.
Really good. I love that XG has playful choreo. Their choreo matches their song
Yes,
so
it
well.
does. Yes.
I don't know if Sienna did this or not, but fantastic.
8. I'm so mad we didn't get to see this. Is my song,
We'll
man.
get to see it at Coachella.
We do get to see it at Coachella.
We do
You're
get
right,
to see it
you're
at
right, you're
Coachella.
right.
Yeah, XG is like literally that group that it's just they're so good at everything. Rap, dance, singing. It's just
Crackheads.
they're great. Fantastic. Choreo's
They're
fantastic.
an all group for a reason.
Yeah. They're literally just fantastic. All right, In the Rain. Sydney, I think the concert was yesterday.
Yes.
My favorite of their 2 B-sides, although it's very close. It's like it depended on the day
Yeah.
which song I like more. But you're gonna check out In the Rain. I love the umbrellas.
Yeah.
They're using a lot of props for both of these.
Yeah.
It's giving like singing in the rain.
Yes, it is.
And
yes.
like what's that? Bedknobs? No. Mary Poppins.
Yes.
Did they do a thing with umbrellas and Mary Poppins too? I don't know. Oh, you can do so much with umbrellas too, prop wise.
Oh my God, Chisa looks so good.
I know that black accent is crazy.
Oh. Ew.
Ooh.
The choreo.
Oh,
The
yo.
choreo. Oh, the choreo.
Ew, so good. All right, Maya. I'll see our ponytail today.
Hi, Colin.
Hi, Colin. Ooh. See, this is like one of those examples of a chill song, but they gonna eat the choreo. Like,
yeah, they could just have mics and be just standing
sing
and
it, but
swaying.
nah, they decide they're gonna kill some choreo. It's just very, very fun to watch.
very
XG. It's let it rain. Oh. If they do this at Coachella, it's over.
Oh my God,
Oh.
Chisa.
What did she do?
This the
Oh, her, yeah, fit.
fit. She's fit.
Fit.
Ooh.
Oh! Absolutely clean! Yo! Wow! That is absolutely crazy! Yo! All right. Oh, oh, oh.
snap.
Is she not a, ooh.
What?
Okay.
Go, Renata, but you had yours.
Oh, they changed it up. They changed
You had
it.
yours right?
They changed the arrangement up.
This whole part.
Ooh. Go, Amy.
Ooh.
Oh my God.
Remember we screamed when we heard Harvey
Yeah,
singing
that's
this?
all I needed. The last of. Harvey, why? Why? We know you're all fit, but why? Why are they flexing like that? All of them.
Yeah, they are.
We get it. You're fit. We get it. That's a boss flex too. Yeah.
Oh, I just realized your ponytail is striped with pink and red.
Oh, it is striped.
Oh.
You know, another thing, prop wise, they had. Oh, they got rid of their umbrellas
They
at some
did,
point.
yeah.
But see, they have jackets. You could do jacket choreo too.
Yes.
Like the choreo is just so.
It's so good. Their choreographer's
It's
so
so good.
I don't know if Sienna did all of any of this, but
But the props, I mean, everything is a prop to them.
Yeah.
It just elevates. It's so nice aesthetically to look at.
oh, they flowing.
Hey!
They,
Hey! Okay, that was
that was clean.
Yo! That was clean.
That
Look,
was
Coco said
clean.
get me.
In the back too. You see in the back, Chisa too.
Yo! That
was clean.
That was clean. That was clean. Oh, Chisa! Chisa!
Oh my god.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh,
Ew.
Oh my god, the choreo.
You see the choreo? This choreo is
oh
wild.
my god.
This choreo is absolutely sick.
Oh, they eat.
You know, it's got some power to it. It's got some
Damn.
what? It's good. It's
So good.
It's just really good.
How is that audience not screaming?
They are. Oh. What?
The fact that dancing is hard to a
I know.
in here. Hey, wow. Wow.
Fantastic. Holy shit.
They're so good.
I'm sorry. Like, I don't know. Like, XG's creative team is just like,
Damn.
they're great. I mean, that was great. Like, I don't know. Like, that was to be able to witness this live is just it's something.
They're so lucky.
This is crazy. We're gonna check the solos out tomorrow.
Yes.
Potato.
Oh my gosh, man.
Tomorrow for sure for the solos.
This
But
makes me miss
Jesus.
XG so much.
I
I want to see
know.
them in concert again.
I know.
They just keep elevating. It's just
They
like,
do. Like, this is just crazy. Like, but like, this makes me. They need performance videos for both of these songs. Like, we need it.
But they've been busy, so you know.
I get it. I understand. I'm not saying they have to have them, but it would be. It's just. Oh my gosh. Sometimes you forget.
Yeah,
You simply forget how good they are, and they are just amazing. If you guys know who did the choreo for this, please let us know in the comments. I don't know how you guys would know. I don't think there's been anything official out, but props to the
Sienna's always
choreographer.
on. Yeah, Sienna's always on Twitter, so
Yeah.
she might have dropped some hints. I don't know.
Yes, but whoever choreoed this, both of these songs are fantastic. I like the use of props. But fantastic.
Yeah, really cool.
Like I said, we'll be reacting to the solos tomorrow. I'm not sure when this is. This will probably be up on YouTube sometime next week. So the solos will be up shortly after that as well. But thank you guys for being patient. But yeah, we'll have more XG content coming. Thank you guys for watching. We appreciate you. We'll
Yes.
catch you guys, I guess, with the solos next.
Yeah.
But yeah, thanks for watching, guys.